Welcome back. Okay, so right now we are going to start our video about science experiment. So what we're gonna do, Miss Pink?
So today we are going to make magic plastic bag.
Magic plastic bag. What is that?
Okay, so
Things to be
that
prepared.
yes, things that we need to be prepared are plastic bag.
Plastic bag.
I only use one here. Color pencil that have been
Sharpening.
one bottle of water.
Water.
And then also rubber band.
Rubber band.
And then we already prepared basin. Yeah.
Basin.
So later on, when we poke, the water will not spill on the floor. Okay.
Will we be wet later? We'll get
No,
wet
I don't think so.
later?
If you follow the instruction, I don't think that you will be get wet.
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Are you ready, kids?
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, you are ready. We are ready. Okay, let's start, Miss.
Okay, so first we need to
We'll
pour.
have
Can you help? We are going to pour.
the water inside to the plastic
Yes,
bag. All the water.
Yes.
Like this.
Like that. And then can you tie it up? Like this. Sorry. Can you tie?
Can you try it yourself?
Okay. Need to tie it up
The plastic bag.
like this. And then
We will see. It will be fill or not. Let us check.
Now the water will be like this. Okay. And then you need to poke the plastic bag. Okay. In one go.
Wow! Wow!
Do you want to try, Miss?
No, I'm so scared.
Don't be scared. It is fun. Okay, one more. Okay. 1, 2, 3. In one go.
Wow!
What happened? Why?
There's the water is coming out.
Yes.
What can be happening?
Okay. One more time. Okay. In one go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Can you see why the water?
Doesn't come out
Yes.
from the plastic bag.
Why? Do you want to know?
Yes.
Because the material of this plastic can grasp the pencil, so the water will not leaking out.
Okay.
Like that.
So cool.
So cool because of the plastic. Yeah. This
Yeah.
is not magic. This is science.
Yeah, this is
Okay.
science.
So you can try at home with your mommy and your daddy.
And
Okay.
don't forget,
And don't forget to
record
the activity.
that you do with your mom and your
Yes,
dad.
and then send it back to us. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Okay, we are waiting for your video and then see you next video.
Bye.